He was so poor that some nights he slept hungry. But one day, he became a billionaire. What destroyed him in the end will shock you. The boy's name was Arjun. He lived in a broken house with his mother. While other children went to school, Arjun cleaned shoes outside a busy market. He earned just enough to buy one piece of bread, which he shared with his mother. Every night, before sleeping, he looked at the sky and whispered, "One day, my life will change." One afternoon, Arjun found a wallet lying on the road. Inside it was more money than he had ever seen. For a moment, his hands shook. But then he ran after the owner and returned it. The man was shocked. "Why didn't you keep it?" he asked. Arjun replied, "Because I don't want to be rich by doing wrong." That honesty changed everything. The man offered Arjun a small job. Arjun worked harder than anyone. Years passed. The job turned into a business. The business turned into a company. One day, Arjun became a billionaire. People admired him. He bought luxury cars, big houses, and expensive watches. The world called him successful. But money changed him. He stopped visiting his mother. He trusted the wrong people. Greed took control of his decisions. Bad choices led to bigger mistakes. Fake friends surrounded him. Illegal shortcuts destroyed his company. One night, everything collapsed. By morning, his money was gone. His company was finished. Everyone who praised him disappeared. Arjun returned to the same broken house where his journey began. His mother looked at him with calm eyes and said, "You were richest when you were honest." Arjun had become a billionaire, and then he lost everything. But he learned one painful truth. Money can change your life, but greed can destroy it.